Huh, okay. Now I think I got it working. Yeah. It's snowing here. Might look like Christmas. Now I can see some deer moving in the woods. What do you think about that? Snowing. Snowing, 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 snowing. There's my buddy's old house right there. Oh, he passed away. My buddy Mark. His wife's still lives there. But we got snow. Oh, we got snow. We might have a white Christmas. I doubt it. It got cold as hell out here though. What are you doing over there in Bellevue? That's the neighbor's porch. What a big snowflake. Oh. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with all the bells on the toes. I guess, I don't know. Whatever the rest is. La 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 la. Well, it got cold out real quick. Oh, there's the snow. Ta-da! The weathermen were actually right. You don't give them much credit. When they say dusting, we're probably getting buried today. Probably be up to 2 feet. Okay. Do, 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 do.